This is another tech video regarding a satellite phone, the Thuraya XT-PRO. Kung mahilig ka mag-adventure, so anywhere, kahit saan, so syempre hindi yan maagapan, mawawalan ka ng mobile signal. Sa pamamagitan nito, ito yung satellite phone from Thuraya, kaya niyang makontak kahit saan. Ang kagandahan dito is maliit lang siya. So kung trekking or camping outdoors, ito yung pinaka-importanteng gadget. Kasi in case of emergency or you need to call someone else sa business, so kailangan mo ng ganitong phone, satellite phone. So anywhere around the world, as long as may satellite signal, so kaya kang makontak. So yan yung unboxing video natin. So yan, binubuksan na natin kung what's inside the box. So napaka-simple lang. Although old school yung style ng phone, pero yung gamit nito or yung functionality, napaka-basic rin. Yan. So mga manuals, CD, and yung battery niya, removable. So ito yung kagandahan niya kasi removable pa yung battery. Kung masira yung battery, meron namang available si Thuraya dyan. Kaya napakaganda ng na to. Maliit lang siya. So kung maghilig kayo sa outdoor trekking or mag-walking na wala talagang mobile signal, ito yung pinaka-the best aside sa tracker. So kaya ka mag-contact ng emergency or anything sa business related. So ito rin, marami na siyang dala. May charger, accessories, AC. Then, yun, car charger, then headset, and the USB cables for charging. So, napakarami na yung accessories na dala dito. Just like a old phone. Tapos meron ring rubber para replacement. Ito, adapter, kung kahit saan sa mundo ka mapadpad, kaya niyang may adapter siya. So, yan. So, first time to turn it on, the mobile phone. So, napakaliit ng footprint. Very light and perfect for your camping and outdoor needs. Ito, yep. So, old school, no? Mayroon pa siyang antenna. Tapos yung battery. So, ito, trinay ko. First time mag-on. Unfortunately, I forgot the SIM card. Kaya, and I turn it on indoor. First time pa kasi, so you need to activate the phone outdoor and also insert the SIM card and set it up for the first time. But ito, that's why we are having errors because we forgot to insert the SIM on this. Yep. So old school style. Colored na yung LCD. Yan, this is the SIM card where just like any mobile phone, first time is you need to insert the SIM card to register its network. And now the SIM card is just like a regular SIM card cut, tri-cut SIM card, and you need to remove it from the POK. It's also have a pin and a POK. Just in case you're wondering. Yan. So here, although it is a satellite phone, the call is expensive for this one. So unlike any other regular call, since you are utilizing the satellite signal, it's mostly costly. But in case of emergency or disaster, then you need to contact someone, then it's worth it naman. Now the SIM card is inserted, the regular SIM card slot, and also you can insert a SD card, micro SD for the phone, for the memory. Yep. And now let's turn it on. But now it's still in the indoor, so that's why it will still need to find satellite signal for the first time, for the first setup. While we are indoor, it cannot obtain any satellite. So that's why it's having also an error. So now, If you want to know more about this phone, please like and subscribe for the future update while using this phone. Thank you and subscribe.